Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. But yeah, well, guys. Blessed Lord, blessed. Yeah, I'm just there, reach. Start the vlog. One see you, brother, in the place. One country. Yeah, Joy, got you in the building. Alright, guys, well, guys. So, and you know, guess who we have as well too? We have Pablo is here all the way from Canada, you know, to see Yaya to get the herbal products, you know, and also see Melissa for the skincare. You know, also me, I definitely need to get some skincare products because my skincare is finished, you know, and also get some water. Cause guys, Yaya do natural. We do spring water because you know, Yaya sells spring water, so that's what I've been drinking. You know, I can't even last. I drink the regular water, and I drink the spring water. So I buy the big 5-gallon ones then, and I have that at home. So Pablo is already in there. Yaya already came. You know, so we're gonna enter inside and then show you guys what I want. So blessed love.
I'm a painter too, and I like see my work in the music and the painting. Gracias. Gracias, Jamaica.
Oh, I thought you never here. Good night. I'm coming back for my doubles. Good night. I'm coming back for my doubles, okay? Better be. Yeah, better come back. Coming back. Don't finish it. As you get fired. Oh wow. I'll be back in a minute. So guys, so I'm gonna see Pablo because Pablo is here first before I come back to get doubles. So one son.
Me like my big up Keenan, one Keenan.
Yes.
See me I say good over evil. You know see get a youth a try.
Big up.
Support them.
Yeah.
No matter wait till you see them pan jet ski and all of them things they running. Support when you see the youth them come out. See me I say Keenan real youth. A whole heap of money run pan charity and them still not talk about it. But here now, we are Kingston Night Market and we are Sun's Cafe spot. See singer, tell them about the chickpeas.
Yeah man, I have
one country.
Curry me up to them. I don't do pineapple to them. Black bean in a stew.
some pepper pan.
Yeah. Right. And what me I go do now? Me I go put some cauliflower in it. Yeah. Cauliflower? Yeah, I'll do some nice cauliflower. See? You're there on the forward?
No, I'm not going to farm. I'm going
Alright.
Oh, my youth, I'm not check.
I'll make it link here, yeah?
Alright, so I'm so circle then.
I have sauce up and spirulina.
Oh, you have it? Alright, alright.
Coconut water.
You try that one, country?
And then I
spirulina and sauce up.
for next 2 years.
That one the bad, that one, this one. Bad enough.
That one you have the coconut water in it today. Straight
I'm
coconut
going,
water.
my boy.
No, man, no,
You can still go there, man, but that, you have to try that. Bad.
Plus, I can try.
You have enough in there already, right? Alright, so I'm good. I'm good. So I will circle you back, okay?
Alright.
Alright. Hello, you right? Yeah, man, bless. Grab a belch. Must belch. See that? Them say?
Yeah, man.
The must belch.
You know if you come when you want belch, you know. Right at grab a belch. You see me? Have the belch.
Have the belch.
When I was just a little child.
Singing.
Yo, when you hear the legend tell her that they really stop, they look like Cockatoo, the younger version.
I seen you to sing before I started introducing.
Yeah.
I first started introducing you when I sing again.
Hey.
Yeah, Ginger, I'm fine.
Hey, hey, man. Come on, bench. I will circle. Alright. Cut your sampling now. Alright. Hello. Bless it. Mel.
Hey, how you
Night.
doing?
Night.
On your camera.
Huh?
Hi, Kino, on your camera.
You're right. Nice to meet you. Why? 7. Pablo in the building. We have Pablo in the building. See how I like a plus meter, man. Guys, Pablo in the building. The way from Canada. Familiar face. You know? Pablo in the building. Impressed? Bless the Lord. I think I want this. Little big one. Jaja. Yeah. What's the same in favor of? Yeah. Big twins. Oh, I'm bringing by the people that belongings.
Yes, and one sounds good. Person sounds good.
I don't want to hear nothing.
I can't complain.
So you see it's empty.
You carry it back, I cannot complain because I needed bottle.
No, I need my
I know, but I needed bottles too.
But you know, son, and this also
Hi,
is
beautiful.
finishing.
Yeah, but not finished.
This is,
Here is on fleek, girl.
yeah, she's a bleak.
I see.
Mel, this is where they give it a finishing.
Hey, Kino, you could just wait a little bit, eh?
No,
Thank you.
So Pablo, how is everything in general?
It's great, you know, blood.
Glad to see you back out of this ice.
Out of the cold.
You know, I'm back in the sun.
Out of the minus 60.
Run from it.
I can't cold, you know, brother. So I have to take her 2 weeks.
Yeah.
And then my wife did her uncle died, yeah?
Jaja.
Yeah, so go bury him now at center.
Oh.
That's it.
When?
I think when? Sharon. When was the funeral again?
Yes.
When was the funeral? Sunday? Saturday.
Oh, Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Oh.
See.
Sorry to hear that, you know? Glad to see you. Come through, uncle. Yeah, man, I mean that. Big up. So you tell Yaya already, say, you know. Yaya. So this is Pablo I'm going to talk to you about.
Yeah, man, you sure, man. That Pablo tell me, say,
Yeah.
he will fly at the gate of a trench down.
Yes, sir. General, you know?
Yeah, man. That's what I say, we have to take care of the general. Them.
I mean, a genuine general.
I tell him, say, the way I walk, it burn my feelings.
Yes.
That's it. I love that.
You must charge you a jump for joy right now, you know.
Charge here run up here a while ago. And said stick through down in a corner.
Yeah, charge you not walk with stick now. Charge you, I do
I go down a step
hardly
and
ever
go
work.
down for real.
You don't want to see that. I want to hear something different.
Get to go ahead, man. What you say? Alright, so here one now.
Alright, this is a package, man. I introduce the package to you, the detox package.
General.
Yes, I am. And that is good to see you, you know.
Big up.
Before breakfast. But drink no water after you take it. So start today in Jamaica with
Look who is in the night market. Hello, Abby. Hello, Abby. Abby. Hello, Abby. Hey, she's shy. This is Zayn on. This is Zayn on.
It's nice, yeah, but drink
It's nice to be here. Looking forward to all the festivities and the different.
Welcome, guys. So this is Zayn on. Trust me, you're good.
still I got
I'm gonna be shaking everything. So you know, so we're gonna have some people talk about
Like a
this.
it's a last
Right?
Yes, definitely.
So stay tuned for that interview there. Abby, right? We have some interesting things to talk about, right?
Yes.
Are you shy?
Very.
So guys, you know one of them shy because it's WD-40 and shy
you
there.
can go and tell them.
I got WD-40, right, General?
Yes, sir.
Get the WD-40 and shy there, you know? Have you like this stuff?
They're nice. Very artistic. I like it. Very unique.
Very unique, right?
Very unique. I can say that for sure.
It's a look good in our bathroom. In the passageway.
Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say. The hallway at the entrance, it would look beautiful. Elevate the space. Definitely.
Right in
What are
the
these made of? They're made of clay. Okay, so what kind of paint is it? What kind of paint do you use here? The finishing? Acrylic. Oh, okay. That's a really nice.
Metallic.
Exactly. That's what
So it's clay mounted on board in some places, you know?
Okay.
Not materials.
Okay. It's really nice.
yeah.
It has a very unique finish, and I love the vibrant colors.
Hello. Eh?
I introduce you to my husband. I
I am this
watch every day.
every day.
Yeah,
Listen, are the general this? Are the husband this? But the I name? Ja-Earth. So Ja-Earth. And you are? Sister Pete. I like that name, the Ja-Earth. You know?
like
Eh?
I like what you're doing.
Thank you,
That's
man.
great.
Yeah, man.
Great.
You just watch it since night. Oh, the one with Kenisha.
Yeah, when she was
So
wow.
she saw the angel.
Come on, powerful. Yeah, man.
Powerful, man. Trust me. Thank you so much for always watching, you know?
Yeah, man, always.
I'm Ja-Earth. What a name, man? Ja-Earl. Ja-Earth sound good though. Yeah, I like the Ja-Earth. So it's Ja-Earl, not Earth. Big up, man. Yes, man, every time. And the son? Okay.
What's up?
What's up? You good?
Hey, yeah, great.
Big up.
Hey, what's up, yeah? Yeah, yeah, my great news.
So,
We have a circulation issue.
so guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get two doubles. You know? Come back while Pablo.
That's why it's the biggest market. I am going to repeat this.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, fix things right now.
Right here, so
Make
right there.
preparations. So you're alright now.
You want to take a lap with you, not true.
Glad to meet you again.
Yeah. Lady with you. Right there. so-
Yes, 7.
Well, she first come to my hand.
So Pablo.
Everything
Alright, so do we enjoy the performances this evening? Yes?
Artist. Yeah, man. Upload show the thing, you know.
That's on Instagram and Facebook. And please tag us in all your photos.
Oh guys, I run into Abby again. And look where Abby is. Abby is at my double spot. Abby, why are you doing at my spot, man? Good. She's at the super spicy doubles. How is doubles? You like it? It's great. You know you have to pay my rent to be right here.
Oh really?
See, that's it. You have to pay me rent to be right here. But not tell us I'm your response for you. I always say that. No, if she know all that already, because she see herself. So go and watch it. Yes guys, so trust me, the doubles was good. And the look, run into Abby again at my double spot. Once you go doubles, you cannot go back. You see me? Once you go double, you cannot go single. You have to stay at double up. Double up, so I'm here to add one more doubles. One more doubles. Thank you.
Why are you two?
You forgot?
Oh, I'm a subscribe now.
Yeah, Usha asked me what's my YouTube. She don't know?
No, you never put it on her phone, you put it on me.
Oh, but
And she just said she had to follow you, and show her some things on the page.
yeah, she don't watch me anymore. Kino, Kino, is Kino Life in Jamaica.
After walking, you know, we're going to do
It's supposed to see come up with Kino. See there? Yes, Ki. There you are. Subscribe.
May put them subscribe to you.
Yeah, so then you subscribe already? Ah, that is it. That is it. Yes, guys, I'm at the double spot. Trust me. I've come back for one more. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, I mean, thank you for the work we do.
Yeah. Yes. I have to come see. Yeah.
Yeah, not only that, for the work we do for people.
Yeah.
You understand? You do your work?
Yeah.
Change sound, and this is number one. Remember me tell me that. That's all about. Yeah.
The least money away, see? What's my program? Because stuff.
Yeah.
Send the food, I'm sending this to you. Please make
Works. You ask her what's in the bottle? Yes. She said, yeah man, she can take as long as she wants. This is Pablo, you know.
Film time, the family time.
Yeah. But a family them here, you know.
What time when him comes to Akeynote?
Yes. And him Empress over here.
I have to tell you the whole of my business, you know.
Yeah.
You don't want to do all your business. That's if say how you will get Keynote deal if you don't tell me all your business.
Yeah, you got get Keynote deals.
Why am I not getting no deal, you know?
Not a deal. I get deal.
I get my own deal.
You're gonna get the Akeynote deal, trust.
And then ginger more than cleanse.
That for your Empress?
Why is this? Why is it? No,
turmeric.
That's what my friends.
The ginger.
the basic.
That's everything in
17.
He gonna use everything, so he can literally sell you everything.
I use everything.
Increase this to this instead of this size.
I'm gonna try and make it for your papa.
Lord, this thing is just
What go on? Good? Yeah, man. Bless up, man. Everything good? Yes. Yes, man. Cool, man. Cool.
And also like how many
Alright, guys. So you know the thing goes. So I'm gonna go grab my water bottle also, and then head out. Cause Pablo get Pablo is getting his things sorted out and everything. So I'm just making a quick stroll before I head out. So the thing goes. So blessed blessed love, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you are, anywhere you're watching from. So welcome to another video, of Akeynote Life in Jamaica. Thank you guys for the love and support. And for who that's been liking the video, I thank you so much. And for everyone that subscribed already, I thank you. For who haven't, feel free, to go over, like the video, and subscribe if you haven't. Right, so guys, so today is preparation day. We're gonna prep the stuff them, sort out the care packages for the Westmoreland trip. Definitely that's what's gonna be happening today. So as you see from the previous videos, when we were sorting out the barrels, we have about 9.5 barrels of stuff to be sorted out, so we're gonna try and get most things done today, and if everything not done today, we're going to finish it tomorrow, so that is the plan, so we got the work cut out for that, so I'm heading downtown now to go and buy the grocery bags, the care package bag that will put the care package them in, so that's what I'm gonna do right now before I head into Trenchtown, and then on my way picked up a food for Ivor Spice, from Ivor Spice as well too for myself, and then now carry on from there, so that is my plan for today, so thank you guys so much. So I'm heading in town right now, it's early, not quite so early, but traffic on the road already also. So thank you guys for the love and the support, thank you. So blessed love, peace. Can I get some of your shopping bag? Can I get 150? Give me 200.
Sashi, which one other one you have?
so we just reached back here in Georgetown, you know, so we're gonna get the barrels them out, you know, I'm gonna go through it. Get the barrels them out and then start to prepare everything. Right now to get the things them out. Yeah. Alright, cut it, right? Let's spread this first. Alright, see how we go. We spread the stuff on this. Oh, I want this. Oh, the piece of good.
It's a look.
Okay, so now under pressure. Soup.
So you do it? Yeah, I put it in a can put out. Can put it as a same way. Yeah. And put the summer pants, do that same way, I can't stay so.
Yeah. Voilà, Emmaël.
Yeah, man.
Voilà. Tu vois ça. Empty mouth here. Yeah. Everything will come out.
See if you have to find a fan too.
Yeah, I can rest them on the ground.
Yeah, rest them on it.
Yeah. So guys, so this too.
Well, that's come out too. Come in. Pull up. One here? Yeah.
Yeah? Heavy. Heavy? Or food. I didn't take out that one there.
So you have to stay. Tell me food so.
Going on this floor.
Everything.
Aye. This is where we hold barrel bad.
So that one, the roller one going on the front. Yeah, take that for the side one. That one there. That one the way them roll off. Let them go that one there. Put on that one.
Aye.
Yeah, man.
Everything.
Yeah, there's a good look for work. I have to go on. Jella, go and take out the thing them out of there. Go and take out them there.
Just put them one.
Yeah. Go and take them out. Boss. Alright, let's put it one away. Eh? Where's that? No, not them one day, not them one day. So I have a barrel already with the put them in.
Put on the dummy side.
rocket it. You know it there.
Yeah, rocket here, man.
Good job. How that be honest.
What I got there, man?
Super chop it up. We're gonna see how
Yeah.
you don't know where I had them carrot in there.
Yeah.
But you gotta watch your back. Watch your back, Cookie. Not to be that. Throw the bar there, you know.
Yeah, come out of the van.
Let's spit bar like a regular day, you know.
Come here. Yeah, them broad one, yeah. You want the broad one?
Hey.
Why? What is our goal? Where go?
Yeah.
Like bar rum coming up.
Don't it?
Yeah, look at
them barrels down there.
But I don't show I would have been bored.
Yeah, they'll be bored.
It's a Marshall.
Why?
I just saw that now.
No. I eat that now. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, which is 9.5 barrels of stuff. 9.5 barrels of stuff. Oh my days. So you have the rice. Yeah. And I see you put them in the boss. No. Just knock them off. Go in a bag. That both. Put them in a bag. Another bag. So the bag out this tennis thing. Esther, you have more of the bag them?
No, I'm dropping from the house. I'm weird. So that's why.
Not Tisha. Tisha the boat?
Yes, the boat.
Call her. Watch on the back. Watch your foot, baby.
Over here.
Some more table here. Calm here.
They won't go nowhere.
Mostly.
They may be close enough.
Yeah, close. Ah, you are. But the clothes them stay in the barrel.
So put the clothes them in a one barrel.
Yeah. The clothes them in a one barrel. Now can I bring? Eh?
Oh, look at empty bar. Put that the rice there.
Them one, the one is the barrel. There. The broad one them. So one.
You know, look like no more.
What are the one when you out?
Yeah. Come here, no good there.
I still take out the bag them off the table. Take out them off the table there.
No, I wear them and just drop them in. So that I put them over.
I put them over there so. Like a bag them, I can bag them up. Got that brown rice. A brown palm rice.
Brown and white.
What's your put on?
Easy basmati.
Remember the bulldog?
What that?
Oats. Yeah, macaroni.
Oats.
Different type of oats inside. Cook. I see them one day.
5 oats.
And I run, come on.
Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the preparation for Westmoreland. You know, this is all the food stuff them, as you can see. It's loads of food and clothes. You know, as I say, we have some name to give a shout out again. Oh yes.
Gloves. You want to put your hand?
No.
So even you can put matching things, so know which is which. You're watching about? What's your order? Bent up, so. The man yard poche. The man yard.
No, we can't have one of them, so. No.
Alright guys, so as I can see with all of these stuff, you know, there is so much stuff. So I literally doubt we're gonna end up bringing all the clothes as well too, but we're gonna see as much because there's so many stuff here, literally, you know, food stuff and clothes as well too. And as I mentioned, we have some name, you know, we're gonna call out names as well too. We have to also give a thanks to Janice and Shamali, also from the UK. You know, they could send 3 barrels, you know, the blown barrels that look like beer drum, you know. So big up, I would thank Janice and Shamali from the UK. You know, and we also have the rest of the barrel that comes from the barrel and the crate that comes from mommy and my sister Felicia and the team, you know. So So you know, I say we have to give thanks, you know, to Mommy Michelle, which is my mommy, you know, and my sister Felicia, aka Fel Nico. You know, I cannot stop thank them. And plus now, the rest of them that put together, you know, who, yeah, we also have Faith as well. So big up to Faith. You know, Faith being a foundation also from the starting of the program. She been a loyal donor from them time till now. You know, so we have to give many thanks to Lorena and family also. Blessings to Lorena and family from the UK also, that's a part of the barriers and the crate that came. You know, Lorena family and Simone and family also. So we have Bernie, we have Chris, we have Jennifer, we have Debbie and Dolores. You know, we thank them so much. And we have Haley and Phil Tate also, you know, from the Southcroft Church and Mitcham Lane, you know. So blessings to each and everyone as well too, for being so kind, you know, for making this thing possible, for helping out, you know, for the Westmoreland Hurricane Relief Package, which is it's been due because of the backlog, you know, been like literally been set back, you know, from them times, you know, because it's been sent from November because of the backlog. We want to just get it recently. So the aim and the target was, you know, destined for Westmoreland. It was our destined, you know, for Westmoreland, you know, so this was the original plan, you know, so this is what we're going to be started and head back down into Westmoreland, same place down to Eastern Spring where you see I was, you know, so I'm saying a lot of work cut out, you know, a lot, you know. Who she can help, you know, I see you want to help. Okay, so helps organize the thing them, to recognize one them way. Just, I think that I'm gonna need more space with the thin stuff then. Yellow.
White on ground.
The next one.
There's a tester. Testing 1, 2. Not out 2. What about you? Yeah, that one there.
I want to look at it.
Let your foot too big, man.
I can't fit one. Crocodile thing I can't eat it. That's about it. I'm going to the country now. I want to eat it.
Yeah, go to the country. Them there a beach everywhere them there. All of them are beach. Some bigger than some.
What's up, baby? You been snoring? You been snoring, resort, baby? Okay. So you see the work is cut out right now, not.
Buy some more cola.
Yeah!
I mean, put it there, but you look away, there's some blood. That's how it looks so.
Look, enough to fix them properly. The noodles them, when you can't just bung them.
So them look at all of them are different. That's the right there. So them have baby, them have beside them out, them have sliced carrot, them have barley bean, and different.
Daniela, see the noodles them, open them out of the red bag them and pack them up properly.
Yeah! They can pack up properly over there, so when you're ready for 1 or 2, just know.
Yeah. Alright, go on, do that. Look at this.
Pack them one side. Pack them up neat. Pack them together by themselves. Yeah.
This one was from Gango Castle.
Letitia, come here, sit down.
Letitia, see some of them things up there? Just move them if I'm for Daniela there. Them stuff here. And just pat them come around. Move this right here, so. Pull them over here, so. Yeah. So now I repeat the stuff them want to go in the bag.
What about the Shara? Oh, see one there.
Daniel, look, it's only from there to
So then there we have to go strip here on the woman bag where every lady can get them thing there. Yeah, more by one there. Yes, roll them out. Eh? No, we're going to have a bag for ladies. We'll just give them. The wipes them, put the wipes them different. Oh. Tell which one of the bag like? You done already?
The one are different.
Oh, I never see it.
Put that one here again.
Where are them there? Yeah, let's just put one single one.
No,
anyway, stop it, stop.
Put it in the head,
Alright, so guys, so we literally get everything out now. Alright, so we get everything out, all the food stuffs and everything, all of that. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Look. So everything is out now.
But it starts to pack now, you know?
So it's time to start to do the packing.
Them things we want to start with hygiene thing, them put them in a little bag set way.
Yeah. I see the wife them, so them to them so much when them done do that. Yeah. We have to put them in a big bag. So we know the difference. So we definitely know the difference. So, Shara, so we can go and bag them now, we can see how them stay. Yeah, it's like a burst. That one are fine. Yeah, we'll see. I'll call me because my car is going to stop somewhere. Yeah. You know, you don't get a bag, but you pack one. Poach it. You pack them over there so I'm putting them there. And then send over the bag.
6 area rest them one side.
Yeah.
Westmoreland now get nothing. Yeah, man, that's what I'm against.
Hey, put the hair No, I'm off.
And the juvenile linking. Put two. You tell her now, cover the thing there yourself. How much sardine?
Only for sardine, man.
Just put two sardine.
Yeah, man, two sardine.
Yeah.
Only for sardine there, so. Sardine about this.
Yeah. You put a buckle of oil too. When the oil stop, it stop.
One.
Yeah,
No, put one oil about it.
No, say all I black bag them, all I black.
The grandmas help them put them in a game. She said no, where them are.
Yeah, man.
So we don't have too much thing in our one bag.
Yeah, man. Anything where the most thing, like I said, chicken one. One.
Forget tuna, chicken.
Wicked.
Only one know, you know.
Yeah, put two. See, I chalk it over there, so there. The purple.
We know, sir, I chalk it.
Eh?
I dust them the over there.
Yeah, it don't matter, just put away.
Sardine in there.
Some back we get and some.
Yeah, that's it.
This one.
So we go on over the side. Go on over the side. Jella, you come on that side, yeah. You come on that side, yeah. And you took up two, you took up something so they can get them.
Yeah. And then swing it,
and swing it go around, so. Coach it.
Me and some.
Pass some of them back where you put this, so see there.
Macaroni going at them, macaroni going at them.
Cosmetic.
Macaroni in everyone. It's sharp.
That one the burst.
So you can start with your.
Start from one of these and one of the long one.
And put the oil in it, Jella.
One of the long one.
Put the oil in it.
Oh, look about
pass them, Genius. Genius, pass the bag there.
One thing. Hey. 290.
So Jella will put the oil on the ramen. What that? Oh. You put one in there as well too. Them there. Yeah. Put one in the bag as well too. And then them have flour. Anywhere it stop, it stop. Flour. Which one I can do? A flour that. Jella, you drop? Get up my drop.
Give me a long macaroni.
This is what? Oats. Hey, baby. Oh man, oats man, this is the oats for it.
Right.
It's down again.
Alright, here I want to do what I'm giving you. Right, no, you put right.
Alright. Yeah.
No, I'm not seeing separation.
Bleaching soap, I didn't think I more time.
One long so.
Hey,
Get to a little, I'm going to get a little. Damn, moment the man get to it.
Yeah. Even on the second street. So you that second street, that second.
Chunks, just look where your pack and say and open our double pack.
That's my food sit right there. So nothing getting a job you walk with me name.
Mama, sit down.
Sorry, you jump on there.
Oh yeah, Bobby, catch that.
We catch it from the other side, man. We may have edit, me will see it. It look like he catch it because the camera shine in the direction there. Jella, you drop? Get up my drop.
Give me a long macaroni.
You say what? Oats. Eh? Eh? Shall come with it. Jack's shall come with it. So the bar is full already.
No, man, God. So them stay, brother. Beat them cool over where you are.
Yeah, man, beat them cool.
We need another bar.
Need a next bar.
One more bar.
Yeah, put them back.
Oh, and cover. Oh, this not a tango. David, this not a tango.
Yeah, but one you can't allow.
Yeah, but the team
can't go in there, you know.
David, take about this.
The rat boy never, you know.
Take about this.
Man, put it like this.
No, man, knock out that. Take out that. Take out that.
Strong man, if I try to hear.
Yeah? If I blow dry.
No, that's what it's strong man, you know.
Half an hour. So, them that tea bag. We have put a tea bag in some bag. What me see? I single one then, Dad.
When I get them, throw the one in there.
Yeah, two over there, we have already.
And the toilet paper, put a toilet paper in them as well. We've got to put some in some small bag. Put some of them in some small bag. Put one toilet paper in the bag them as well. In the grocery bag. Shara, same toilet paper, let's put one in the bag them too.
Hey, Shara. You see the bag of Shara, them already made. We can't make sure toilet paper.
No, not in the bag.
Come in, Shara.
Put toilet paper in it as well.
Put toilet paper in them one, they know where to come. Give Shara.
Them bag they're strong enough? So you can put them, some of them in them there. See them one there? With them cream to Esther.
Put some of them in the bag, them too.
Yeah, Esther, them shower gel there. And head and shoulders.
Put them in the bag.
Put the sponge in it as well too. Yeah. Toilet paper go in it as well? Put two of the sponge in there. Enough sponge there. Enough there, so.
Can put 2 or 3 sponges.
Some of them bag never get no toilet paper, though. The first bar they never get any toilet paper. Yeah. Whoa, come here. Just put toilet paper and then put it over there, so.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to dance. I put the fire so time there.
Voilà. Knock it out, knock out that. Not the mama good man. I love right here. Come on. Yeah, look at it. Oh, we have them back there. Them bigger one there.
Yeah, them come in a size. Them come in a size.
When you put something in a tea bag, them out?
Yeah. Want and like extra smaller bag.
Can't bend my back.
Tie paper them finish, huh?
Did I have to hurt you?
Let's see, shall I?
Oh, shut up! Oh, make sure them come on to them because now. Hey, big back there, pull on here! Pull on!
Then she can lick must can't take it. For this. But you take the body.
You can't see how you are, Robbie. Done.
Up, mama, boy!
Yeah, them that close. We didn't feed them after.
Baby. I left it to baby.
Amiga para amiga.
Baby alone can't just this one.
No chat, no can't chat. No,
Listen, no,
Baby alone can't just your soul.
No,
that me I tell you.
just my sword.
Yeah.
Me not get no sword. After that, me not drop. Me not get no drop. Me not get no hard drop neither.
she got a starve job.
Yeah.
Jesus.
She got a starve job. The camera see, you know.
From touch
I slide, let me slide. So, that was
actually I did.
Let me just drop.
Yes, sleep, skirt.
I thought the grand you get the job sick from, you know. Drop sleep.
It's a sister. It's a player that play the phone. Get it. Want to talk after that?
Any bag get. That's okay.
Please go on the rack. Come, please.
Eh?
I want you to come with and crocs.
Listen. Watch out now. Fine, I come down. Watch out now. Alright, so.
This is a man, a white bag, 5 pound bag there.
Oh, you're clear bag then?
Yeah.
But who get done? Are them not over there, sir?
Them the man.
On the side.
They want to
Them there come.
Oh, over there, sir, man. And then that.
Yeah, carry 2 more.
We're going to right and tag the bags. So these are the double them.
Oh yes, bring some of them from there.
Good evening. Ready?
Yeah.
Good evening, people. I was just demonstrating how to use the alcohol sanitizer. So Shara and Jella come behind me, and I didn't saw her, and I go like this, and I go stuff, and it's spray and catch her, and I didn't know it was open.
Yeah.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
Jella, where you say? Open.
Where you say? Accept it, my friend?
No.
Okay.
She will fully do it.
Oh my
Maybe on the side party or so.
Yeah.
Why she turning so?
Yeah.
Because I mean she want to do something.
I did like that and it's not blind.
Yeah.
Nobody's on our side. Everybody knows it's not spite.
Yeah. Jella, where you say?
Watch out your eye.
Esther is on my side.
Yeah,
Esther is on my side. Esther said, watch out your eye.
Watch out your eye.
We need that.
What happened after that?
Sirita!
Them and I can't like. Say what more about it?
Sirita!
30 grand.
Say Miss English, I want.
Miss English! I want me remember way.
Bag, put them in the bag still. Hey, guys, literally, what I'm saying what's happening is look at this here, the amount of stuff. It's gonna be, I don't think it's gonna, the van is gonna hold so many, you know, to be honest. So we're gonna find out, we're gonna organize and see the best thing we can do, you know, because trust me, it's a lot of stuff for Westmoreland. I'm saying, yeah. They put them in the bag. Put them in the bag. No shoes bag.
Put them in them bag there.
See the shoes, see more shoes.
I show them this one. Too much, man. You want me done, what? No, for them have to see stop.
Leave them. Leave them.
RJ. Alright guys, so it's seated now, so right now alright, so yo, this is what's happening right now, as you can see. Yo, what yeah, so yo, this is what's happening now. So we have everything here organized, everything sorted out, and trust me, there is a lot of bags, there's a lot of stuff, you know, so I'm not sure, you know, these are the care package them in the barrels and everything, you know, in these barrels. So I'm not sure we're gonna literally hold all the stuff them. The van is gonna hold everything, but we're gonna pack and see. And plus we don't even get the water at them as yet, you know. Wow. The lady get the barrel already. I'm tell her already. Yeah, so guys, as you can see the situation, like it's a lot of stuff. So what don't make it on this trip, we'd have to make it on another trip, you know. So because there's a lot of stuff, and then plus the van, you know, it's just how much it can hold as well too. So definitely for sure, we're gonna pack and see what can pack and what have to leave back for another trip, you know, or for a different destination, because it's a lot of stuff. So we thank each and everyone that donated on this journey and this mission, you know, for Westmoreland. Trust me, we really appreciate it, because it's a lot, you know, it's a lot of stuff, and we're really grateful and we appreciate it, you know. So we're gonna get the water as well to next, because you know the water them have to go literally on the bus also, you know. So boom, it is loads. So get there. 30 grand. I need to cover for them here. I'll cover them and take them. What a whole heap of bags. I know I can't believe. What a whole heap of bags. Oh my days. Another better cover for them there.
Next one, go for that. Plastic one.
Yeah, use the better cover them. Come here, I've got to take them home. Yeah, use the better cover, because I'm going to take them. And plus we have barrels of clothes here, see me? And this one, lift up this one. Alright, let me see how this. That's empty? Okay, that's empty. So you have barrel with clothes in here also.
Alright there.
So guys, so look at this barrel. It's so much more. We have more wipes on the pampas than is in this. You know, the wipes on the pampas then is also in this bag, and plus we already prepared a bag already with some wipes and some to sanitize. So we have loads of stuff, you know, really a lot of stuff to bring, a lot. We really appreciate that, you know, so trust me. What the rest of them there?
Yeah, no,
check out this stuff. Tell them to hold them the lock.
All of them is locked, yes, of course.
And tape one.
Check out this them really come out.
Just go in and check what to go the money and while ago.
That's impossible.
Because I mix
we put as much tape.
Yeah.
That's no hands can gonna glue them.
Yeah.
On the lock?
Yeah, man. Oh my God, you know, you feel clean a place. You know, say don't make the
I'm gonna need a cover for that one, yeah. I want to know if Charlie. I want to could have used. I want to could have used. I wonder could I use.
Brush in them in a one, no me ask. Put on your bag of your food.
Are two along with the food? Are you two along with the food?
No, I'm going to check some
training.
With
four
food?
Four of them with food.
Put them there.
Yeah.
Put them there.
Carrying two already.
You carrying two already. Yeah, so fast you move forward.
Let me bring money to
we carry them in the back. No, we carry them in the back part. You should put in them last, because them will come out first.
No, put the one that can't.
No, you should put them empty one in the first.
Alright, come on, so I want.
Yeah.
Then at the back.
Then
at the back, you know.
Yeah.
You know so fast you move, man. Come on, let's see when you move in there.
Yeah.
You want there and then I want to put the carry.
Can't go and see it. They will carry it.
One man keep one out. What? I'm a general. 4 lakh. Put in them the last. Yeah. Yes, sir. Come nice. Alright, me that tell us.
Get more to carry a country and farm, you know.
Yeah? Yes, this can last. Yeah, they put in this in there. Take out them bags out of that.
Hold on, brother.
I go Aisha.
No, I'm going to put in the empty one in first.
Yeah.
Yeah, walk on, there, man. I did, baby. Walk on. There.
The broom, shovel, it can't get it. So take it up now. Whoa.
salt in them, man.
Put down which one?
2 of them. Close it out.
Put in. Put on it. You should have put one of them brown up on top of one, like for them light, them empty. Yeah.
Come on.
2 bags of bite then. Hey, put them bag over that. Put it on it. Small bit on it.
Boy, you're
Yeah. No. Better stay out there, sir. I have to go bring that. I have to go in my car. Eh? Oh, that's good. No, me can't hear it, so this can't hear it. Come on.
I take my mama back again.
What here?
Yeah.
Nah, I take my move.
Help him with it, Robert.
Again, sir. Yeah.
You turn it off, turn it down. Oh. Because me can't hear it, this can't hear it too. Alright, come. Now squeeze up the man.
Kill me.
The man was always a drop.
Kill me. Revenge, man.
Revenge. No, just put it same place over there, sir. Because
put on the side.
Yeah, man, put on the side. The door right there.
There's a whole lot of strength in your man night, bro.
Yeah. Bring that, Jackson, bring that board there, come here, please.
Soap. Bag soap. Okay. So the bag soap, then you might burn.
The rice time going? The rice time?
The bag there rice.
Which are rice? This are rice.
You know this every rice for 2 minutes.
So I usually cover them now. Hold on. So we got Maya drop off it. Alright then guys, as you can see, we are stack up, lock up, we're gonna pack up and ready for the journey for Westmoreland. So everything is covered, you know, and ready for the road. I have to say a huge thank you again to each and every one that donated, to the cause of this hurricane relief package for Westmoreland, and everyone that donated to Kina Life in Jamaica. We thank you so much, God bless you, and nothing but love and love alone, everything goes. Blessed love and peace, dream team, one team, it's the only real thing is nothing but love and love alone, guys. So, see there, we did it. We will never take 2 days, but we take a day and we done it, Yes, we done it. So blessed love. Dream peace.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.